Mic check, 1, 2. Are you tired of foggy, cloudy headlights, not being able to see at night? Then this is the video for you. Welcome to the channel. So today what I wanted to discuss is headlight restoration. And if you're tired of your headlights looking like this, foggy, cloudy, low visibility at night, it's just not safe. So what I wanted to do was not only showcase the process that I use, the tools, and I've done this. I have a video out there that will show you my process. But in this video, what I wanted to do was test my process against a over-the-counter kit that you could get from your local auto parts store, or just a DIY kit that you can find online. The one I'm going to be showcasing is Cerakote's ceramic headlight, just because I know that in the world of DIY headlight restoration kits, this one is actually a pretty decent one. It gets pretty good reviews. I personally have never used it, so this will be my first time, which is why I wanted to showcase it in this video, because for anyone out there that's looking to tackle this for the first time, they're not going to really know the process as well. So what I wanted to do was put this head to head, I guess, to my process and see really what kind of results could we expect from someone that uses an over-the-counter DIY kit versus going out there and spending the extra money to hire a professional and have them do it. And it would be basically, you'd be testing the results that we could get from the clarity and then also the longevity. Because what I do at the end of my process is I apply a ceramic coating, which is a pretty solid coating. It's either DIY 5-year, 3-year, or Chronos, something pretty solid. And I'm assuming that this product is the same thing. So we're going to test longevity, but we're also going to test the process to see the kind of results that we could get from it and the time it takes to get this done. So stay tuned and let's get these headlights restored. Final thoughts. I think the biggest takeaway from this is that there's a difference, right? There's a difference. But I think that if you're looking for a temporary fix, if you're looking for something that's not, like if you're on a budget, let's put it that way. If you're on a budget, the DIY kits are not bad. As long as you have the stamina, because that was a little bit of a workout, and as long as you know how to read directions and follow instructions, and you have the time, you can definitely knock it out in a weekend. It's not a big deal. Obviously, these results are like way better. I was actually really surprised at the results that I was able to get with these headlights using my process, but they definitely came out really well. So yeah, so we'll check out longevity. We'll see how long that one lasts, and I'll show you how it looks in comparison to each of them. But definitely, if you're looking, if results, full clarity, longevity are things that are super important to you, I would definitely recommend either researching, purchasing the products, and fine-tuning that process by yourself with practice, or hiring a professional that can give you the results like this. If you're looking for something on a budget and you just want a certain percentage of clarity back, I mean, obviously not 100%, but a decent amount, then I would definitely go with one of the kits. I mean, that's what they're there for. It's to give you that quick, budget-friendly solution to your problem, and that's definitely what the Cerakote DIY kit is definitely going to give you. But if you're in the market for some really quality results and full clarity, like I said, and really to get back the full view that you can get from your headlights, I would definitely say look out for a professional in your area. If you're in the Yucca Valley, Joshua Tree, Twentynine Palms area, then definitely give me a call and I can give you results like this. But I just wanted to kind of put my process and put those DIY kits to the test to see what results we could really get, especially if we give it, you know, a real 100% effort and see what we can get from it. Again, like disclaimer, I'm not knocking the results that we got from that. I think it was actually really good, way better than some of the other kits that I've tried. So definitely, if you're in the market, buy a Cerakote kit. If not, I would definitely look out for a professional and get yourself results similar to these. So hopefully this is entertaining for you. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend, and I'll see you on the next one.